Hello, my name is Steve Irwin, and I am a relationship manager with Wursta. And today I'm going to walk you through Google's Cloud Search. At the most basic level, Google's Cloud Search allows you to bring the benefits and power of Google Search to your business and organization. It's available as a standalone solution or bundled with select Google Workspace Edition. And Cloud Search utilizes machine intelligence to provide both a comprehensive search and a proactive recommendation to let your employees find what they need, both when and where they need it. So according to studies, 20% of an employee's time is spent looking for information they need, and 38% of that time is spent unsuccessfully searching for and then recreating that content. So Google's Cloud Search can help reduce that time spent by organizing all of your company's information and making it universally accessible and useful. This allows employees to be more efficient in finding the correct information and being able to make better decisions for the organization itself. Google's Cloud Search provides an enterprise-wide search capability spanning across all of Google Workspace, and in some editions allows for a connection to third-party applications such as your file shares, your organization's CRM, or really any cloud. It also allows and utilizes Google search infrastructure, which provides scalability, performance, reliability, and the security that you have come to expect from Google. Google's Cloud Search utilizes context on the user level and the company and the content level, as well as the application level, then utilizing hardened security that reflects the controls of your underlying system. Google's Cloud Search only allows users to see the results for the content that they have access to. And it provides almost near instant updates to that group access. So you don't have users finding and utilizing information that they shouldn't be seeing. So let's dive in and just take a quick look at the Cloud Search. First thing you'll see here is assist cards, which are Google's proactive recommendations of what you might be searching for as you come to the homepage. So based on kind of my utilization and the last few things that I've taken a look at, it's going to provide some of those recommendations, as well as looking at your calendar to see kind of what meeting you might be in and what you might be wanting to utilize as well. So in this sense, you see the demo that I'm doing here, as well as any attachments that are in the calendar invitation as well. However, I might not be looking for something that I've utilized over the last few days. It might be a little bit more obscure. So I can actually go in and provide a search. So I'm going to put in template here because it's a fairly general search term for kind of some of the files that I have. And you'll see that there are a bunch of different options that pop up, allowing me to search for the information I need. However, this might be still too broad. So you can also pare down that search criteria in a number of different ways. So you'll notice here that I have it going across all of Google Workspace at this point in time. However, I might know that it's in an email, so I can put it just for mail, or I might have it in my drive, so I take a look at it through there as well. You can also pare it down to sites, groups, or your calendar itself. However, I might also need to do it in a couple of different ways as well. Right now, it's searching through all of time within my Google Workspace. However, I can reduce that or put parameters on that based on time. So I might know I've looked at it in the last day, the last week, month, or maybe just sometime in the last year. So I can certainly put parameters on that. I can also, right now, I'm looking at anything that I have access to that might be owned by anybody. But I can also put parameters on that to where it's just files that are owned by me, and that will pare down the search results by quite a bit. I also can look at specific file types. Right now I have it on any file type, but I might know that it's a text doc, or I might know that it's a spreadsheet, a presentation, or a PDF. A lot of different options that I have to reduce the search criteria in a lot of different ways. So really I can get very granular in terms of the search criteria that I'm looking for based on what I do know. So that's really it, and it's as simple as that can be. If you'd like to discuss how you can utilize Google Cloud Search to help your employees find the information they need faster, more efficiently, and make better organizational decisions, feel free to reach out. You can reach us at info@wursta.com. We'd be happy to discuss all those options for you. Thank you very much and have a great day.